TitleMatchNetwork.com.
San Antonio. And I want all the girls in the back, you're welcome for the house. I know you guys are here for me, guys, for me! But I got two news, a bad news and a good news. What do you guys want to hear first? The bad news? Lady Bird. I don't know how to put it to you, but I have more important things to do tomorrow, such as trying to get this championship back for all of you. Therefore, I won't be able to compete tonight.
What?
Yes, I'm so serious. I'm so serious. But you know what? The good news is, guys, you know, because I travel all over the country, all over the world. You know, I train and have worked with the best of the best in the world. And I have one person in mind. And I said, you know what? When they told me, you know, Thunder, you have to win that championship and you cannot compete on Mission Pro Mania, I thought of someone just as crazy as I am. And she is like my sister, you know, with the boldest shoulders and the thickest thighs in the game. And that is my sister, that twisted sister, Holidead!
What? I'll be honest with you, Veda. I don't know if even if Lady Bird had advance notice of this match with Holidead, how much can you really prepare, just as you said? How much can be stated about the situation that Lady Bird finds herself in tonight? Our semi-main event card change on the fly. Holidead returns to Mission Pro Wrestling.
Lady Bird, though, to her credit, she says bring it on.
The longest reigning champion in Mission Pro Wrestling history, 329 days. As the bell sounds, and we're officially underway, Holidead and Lady Bird.
Whoa, Lady Bird just a little bit quicker.
We're already seeing the power that awarded Holidead the Mission Pro Wrestling Championship in the first place.
Whoa, but Holidead gets tripped up. Lady Bird with the chancery.
I mean, Veda, let's talk strategy for just a moment. What is it going to take for Lady Bird to overcome Holidead and that power that she possesses?
It's going to have to be that quickness. Right here, we're seeing it on display. You're not going to outpower, you're not going to overpower Holidead. You got to be a little bit faster.
And would you consider this a career-defining matchup for Lady Bird if she pulls out the victory?
Especially knowing that she had to pivot to face an entirely different world-caliber opponent. But right now, she's able to stay one step ahead of Holidead.
Yeah. Mind games continuing to be played by Thunder Rosa as she hopes to return to Mission Pro Wrestling as AEW World Women's Champion. But you know that if Lady Bird can pick up the victory here, if Thunder Rosa comes back to Mission Pro as AEW World Women's Champion, who do you think she's laying out the shot to?
Absolutely, because we've seen Lady Bird, she held on to that Mission Pro Cup before. Whoa, now looking to rebuild and regroup.
Oh, sling blade hard on the outside.
Thunder Rosa at ringside, gently encouraging Holidead to get back up.
As gently as Thunder Rosa can. Nothing gentle about what we're seeing in this matchup, though.
So Thunder Rosa not able to get physically involved, but she has a ringside seat right now.
Well, contractual situation, cannot compete within 24 hours of a championship match. Thunder Rosa finds herself on the outside in a managerial position, #1 seat in the house.
Holidead has Lady Bird laid out on the apron.
Oh, wow. We have not seen Holidead in in-ring competition since Hard Day's Night back in August 2022. It's been a little under 2 years since the last time we saw Holidead around these parts.
And now she is just picking apart Lady Bird. Oh.
Continuous shot after shot after shot. And Holidead gonna send Lady Bird into the corner. The lariat follows in.
Just so powerful. And now that Holidead has turned this match around, it's back to her pace.
As Holidead in the Tree of Woe positioning. Tall tree looking to be cut down right here, and cut down indeed it is.
I gotta get out the corner. Get around the corner. Out of the corner.
Lady Bird still trapped in the corner.
Well, look at this impressive core strength from Lady Bird to bring herself back to a sitting position. Oh, but a backhand. Got Holidead rocked off the middle rope. Brought down with the crossbody. Cover in. 2.
Lady Bird charges in again. Able to catch her.
Okay, beautiful Yave style brought through. Trying to tie up Holidead as easily as can be. Lady Bird's got it locked in right here, single leg.
Holidead, she's scrambling, but
Wrenching
she is
back,
tied up.
Wrenching back on that right knee is Lady Bird, and Holidead, just as you mentioned, gonna have to make it to that bottom rope. Easier said than done right now. Try as she might. Will Holidead be able to outlast Lady Bird in our semi-main event? And to the bottom rope, Holidead makes it.
Lady Bird forced to finally break the hold. But that might have been enough to neutralize some of that strength from Holidead. Wait a second, Lady Bird ended up out on the apron. Whoa.
Holidead's going to continue these shots in. And a woman in Lady Bird who one day hopes to hold the Mission Pro Championship.
Whoa. But she's a long way away from title contention right now. Holidead is just picking her apart. Yeah, this is exactly what Thunder Rosa wanted.
Right, but what a way to launch yourself back into title contention with a victory over the longest reigning MPW champion that this company has ever seen. That is the situation Lady Bird would find herself in if a victory over Holidead were to come to fruition. But will that be the case here tonight?
Lady Bird, she's fighting this.
Holidead still got Lady Bird up. It's a long way down. And oh, sunset bomb. And the sun may be setting on this matchup for Holidead. Lady Bird's gonna have to follow through and try to close the gap here.
Holidead finally down. Lady Bird starting to get back up on her feet. She's up.
Thunder Rosa barking in the corner of Holidead here tonight. We're gonna see if this pays out. Not looking too good right now for Holidead. Lady Bird burning a fire in the soul.
Whoa.
Wow, 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 wow. DDT plants out on the canvas. Lady Bird gonna want to follow up very, very soon. Has Holidead in position.
The Holidead is laid out. Lady Bird lining up her shot.
Well, it's a long way away, but the moonsault connects in the center. Cover here, and nearly a victory in our semi-main event.
Holidead herself, she looks shocked. Lady Bird trying to stay in control. Holidead up on the shoulders, but Holidead's fighting it.
Lady Bird's trying to answer the question, how do you kill what is already dead? Holidead, rip cord in, look at the strength, spin out into the reverse STO. Swinging outside, winding and everything in. Cover here, and it's two.
So close. Holidead, multiple leg drops.
Third one for good measure. Our semi-main event of the evening continues and rolls on right now. Live on Title Match Network.
Holidead, well, she is not done yet.
Taking
the
up
second
the
rope.
middle again. No. A little bit of a different idea here. Holidead trying to go for overkill potentially.
Holidead looks like she's headed all the way up top.
She jumped the gun a little bit too early, though. Survey says yes. A high kick for Lady Bird.
Lady Bird now making the climb.
Oh, that is a long way down for everyone involved. But Lady Bird's gonna take the risk. Hurricane Rana from the heavens. Lady Bird in for the cover, the win. No.
Lady Bird again, tried for another cover.
Accepting the cover once again, 2 count. Slow to it was our official. Still in shock, cover once more. Still not enough.
Lady Bird looks like she's gonna try a different tactic here.
Will herself back to victory. Will this crowd alongside her, but will she walk away the winner?
Whoa, she went for that crossbody again, but got caught. And dropped.
Cover again.
Holidead. She doesn't want to hear it as she snatches a handful of hair.
Holidead snatching the energy out of the building here. Could put Lady Bird down for 3 if she lands this. Holidead straight vertical.
Oh, but Lady Bird out from behind.
And Lady Bird gonna take this one up and brought down. Lady Bird with the cutter, Oh, it's 2.
So close. Lady Bird repositioning Holidead, and now it's Lady Bird headed up top.
And Lady Bird from the skies, taking flight tonight in San Antonio. Oh, it's a direct message. Oh, the Thunder Rosa, but time taking too long. Brought up, and a flat out victory for Holidead on the horizon. This one's over.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your winner, Holidead.
Holidead with the
TitleMatchNetwork.com